Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Dentistry to the Point. This is Dr. Dhrumil Manik. So in this video we'll discuss about a topic from the subject of general anatomy, that is external carotid artery. So as this is the first video on external carotid artery, so I will just discuss a basic introduction and the branches of external carotid artery, and then in the further part of this topic we'll discuss about each and every branch in detail, its course and the supply of those branches, because it is not possible to cover all the branches, all the 8 branches of external carotid artery in a single video. The video duration will be too long and it would be difficult for you guys to sustain. So I'll just make short videos on each and every branch so that it is very much easy for you to remember and understand. So starting with the external carotid artery, as we all know, external carotid artery is the branch of common carotid artery, which is again a branch of subclavian artery. So the common carotid artery is going to give 2 branches. First one is your internal carotid artery and second one is your external carotid artery. So discussing about the external carotid artery, so external carotid artery will be given, where it will be given, just opposite to the greater cornua of hyoid bone. Hyoid bone का जो greater cornua रहेगा उसके सामने the external carotid artery will be given from the common carotid artery. See, this is your hyoid bone. ये आपका hyoid bone है. This one I am highlighting over here. So hyoid bone के just सामने the external carotid artery will be given, or you can also say just opposite to third and fourth cervical vertebrae. See, this is your third, this is your fourth cervical vertebrae. तो उसके just सामने the external carotid artery will be given in the carotid triangle. We have made a different video on carotid triangle. You guys must watch that also for the better understanding of this. So the external carotid artery will be given opposite to greater cornua of hyoid bone or at the level of third and fourth cervical vertebrae. So after given into this branch, it will give 8 branches, 8 different branches of external carotid artery. So the branches of external carotid artery will be divided into 4 sections, that is the anterior branch, the medial branch, the posterior branch, and lastly the terminal branch, right? So the red ones over here are the anterior branch. The anterior branch of external carotid artery are superior thyroid artery, lingual artery and facial artery, right? Then from anterior we'll go to medial, then posterior and then terminal. So just remember this order: anterior, medial, posterior and terminal. So firstly anterior we have done, superior thyroid, lingual and facial. Next is your medial branch, only one branch, that is ascending pharyngeal artery. Now next moving on to the posterior. So the posterior will be your posterior auricular and occipital, right? कौन सी है? Posterior auricular. See, this is going to go behind. So these are the posterior branch behind the ears, that is posterior auricular and in the occipital region. And lastly the terminal branches, there are 2, that is superficial temporal and maxillary artery. So these are the 8 branches overall of maxillary artery. We'll revise them once again. The anterior branches are superior thyroid, lingual and facial. Medial branch is ascending pharyngeal. Posterior branch is occipital and posterior auricular. And terminal branches are maxillary and superficial temporal. Now we'll just see the branches in this also. See, the external carotid artery is going to have a curved course. मतलब external carotid artery is going to go posteriorly and in lateral direction. मतलब this is your 2D diagram. But अगर देखा जाए तो posterior external carotid artery is going to go backward and in lateral. मतलब थोड़ी बाहर की तरफ आती हुई it is going to go in upward direction. Along with that, it is going to be anteromedial to internal carotid artery in the lower part. जो भी internal carotid artery का lower part है उसमें वो anteromedially रहेगी, मतलब anteriorly और medially, और internal carotid artery का जो upper part रहेगा उसमें वो anterolaterally रहेगी. तो ये curved course हो गया. पहले वो anteromedial थी, then it is going to come outward, so it is going to become anterolaterally. But दोनों sections में it is going to be in anterior to internal carotid artery. आपको ध्यान रखना है. बस इतना डिफरेंस है कि लोअर पार्ट में it is going to be anteromedial, अपर पार्ट में it is going to be anterolateral, right? अब देखो, this is your first branch, thyroid or superior thyroid, then you have lingual artery, then you have facial artery. So this is your anterior division. The medial division, green one is your ascending pharyngeal artery. Posterior division, posterior auricular and occipital, and terminal division, maxillary and superficial temporal. So now how are you going to remember all the 8 branches? So the mnemonic to remember all the 8 branches is she likes friends always over papa, mama and sister, right? Ab kya hai? We will go from anterior, medial, posterior and terminal. You guys remember this order, right? So she likes friends, right? So this is your anterior. First 3 branches are of anterior. She likes friends. S stands for superior thyroid, L stands for lingual, F stands for facial. Then medial was only single branch, always. A stands for ascending pharyngeal. Posterior ke liye we have O and P. So O stands for occipital, over, and P, papa, stands for posterior auricular. And lastly, mama and sister. These are the 2 branches of terminal one. So the M stands for maxillary and S stands for superficial temporal. So I hope so you guys are clear with the mnemonic. Once again I'll repeat, she likes friends always over papa, mama and papa, mama and sister. So this is the mnemonic to remember all the 8 branches of external carotid artery. I hope so you guys have understood the basic overview or the introduction of external carotid artery and the various branches. It is easy to remember for you guys now. So if you enjoyed the video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get regular updates of the next branches of external carotid artery which we are going to upload soon. So we'll upload all the branches in one order, right? So first we'll start with the anterior one, then medial one, then posterior, and lastly the terminal one. So in each video we'll cover a single branch, so please don't miss this series. Thank you.